Hey guys, it's Tisa and we're back with another video. Yes, I know, I missed you too. But for today's video we're going to do a little short tutorial on scarves. This is basically how I style my scarf, the one that I have, but there's so many other ways that you can style scarves. I need to get into buying more scarves,
613.
so I will do that. Like they have different materials, different patterns, even different styles. This one has like a little bit of fringes on it. It's an actual scarf. You wear it around your neck. I think like one of those fashion. I don't really know, but I put this and I wear it on my head, and it's nice and black. Is it hot at the moment with all the sun and stuff? And because you're basically tying up your hair. But putting this on definitely does make me a little hot. I'm not gonna lie, it takes a lot of work, especially since it's kind of long. But I'm gonna show you basically how I do that. So I have my bonnet on right now. I oiled my scalp a little earlier with coconut oil, so I have my bonnet on. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. My edges, I'm not really swooping them. I'm just gonna kind of swooping it, but it's not like baby hairs. It's just to make them a little more sleek. I don't really got baby hair, so sorry guys. Okay. So this is what my edges are looking like. Girls scream at me. They're crazy. I just took a shower, so they look a little crazy. So I'm gonna put back my scarf. I'm gonna push back my bonnet. I have a couple of cornrows going on. I did teach myself how to cornrow, and I believe it's super beneficial because I used to sometimes do flat twists, and I never really made them tight enough, so that's probably one of the reasons why. But I just feel like learning how to cornrow is so beneficial. You can get very flat braids with it, and so I do like that. I'm still learning, but I am getting better as I keep doing it. So I have they're really huge cornrows. I have 2 on the side in the front here, and I have 3 going in the back. So I have 5. Anyways, I am using Edge Booster. I would love to show you guys here. Hopefully you guys can see this and see that this is a little bit dry. Right. Edge Booster, and this is a Stronghold water-based pomade coconut banana scent. It's supposed to have a strong hold and high shine with natural argan oil, and the hold power is 5. But we'll see. Last time I used it, it really did work. So, but I feel like if I'm going out and I do my edges, it like just immediately sweats off. So, but that's just me. I'm going to grab a toothbrush. This is a little dirty. I have to clean it, so I'm not gonna show you guys my toothbrush. But I'm grabbing my toothbrush and I'm dipping it in the edge control, and I'm basically brushing it through my hair. And then I'm gonna brush it back. Boom. And that's one. Then I'm going to do the bottom half. This is just as important, guys. I'm gonna do a little tiny swoop, so it looks nice. This is great if you ever wanna take off your wig, or if you're about to do an install or something. You could do your braids, do your flat twists if you want to do flat twists, and in between like different styles, you could wear your scarf to cover your braids.
613.
And it's just making sure that you're nice and satisfied with how it looks. And I'm good with this. Like, I won't really pay much attention to this because I'm going to cover it. But yeah, there's how to do my edges. So you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys are getting more good glimpse of it. And I'm not like out of the camera. I would be so upset. I'm going to put it on my head, and I'm going to keep my hair in the back in that little ponytail that I have in. And then I'm going to put my scarf on my head and make sure I'm covering all the things that I want to. That. Now it's still not that flat because they're kind of big, but if you ever want your ear to be flatter, then of course you would do smaller sections or just even neater sections. And I really do think that I think that they're gonna bulge regardless, so you'd have to make it smaller. But anyways, I'm gonna grab it and like as if I'm gonna do a ponytail. Pretend this is like hair and you're about to put your hair into a little bun, and you're going to put your hair in a low ponytail, right? You're going to take your low ponytail and you're going to put it in a really tight bun. But because it's so long and it's a scarf, and it's not like hair, actually no, the longer your hair is, the bigger your bun will be. So, and that's just basically what it is. So you're going to just keep wrapping the scarf around it. Now before, I used to get really annoyed at these and tuck them in, but now I'm like, whatever. I feel like this look doesn't have to be like, it can be any however you want it to be. So I started letting them just fall out wherever they want to. And I will tuck in an end into the base of it. I feel like I tucked it into the bottom instead. And then this is what the scarf looks like. Let's look at myself in the mirror, baby girl. It's not bad. It's a little off to the side. Fix that. Boom. And this is the scarf. This is the little tutorial, baby girl. So this is what it looks like. And it's really nice. My edges are nice and simple. Like I said, I didn't really try to do like too much on baby hairs. It's basically just making my edges themselves just slick. So that's basically what I do with my edges, and I use the edge booster. You have to put a decent amount in your hair. Anyway, so that's just basically how I do my hair. I haven't mentioned this before, but I really hope that you're subscribed. But this is how I do my scarf. This is how a low manipulated way to protect your hair. You can literally throw on the scarf for a few weeks, like a few days. But that is my routine. I'm actually about to go oil my skin. I'm a little oily right now because I think I'm a little sweaty. So I'm going to go spray some toner on my face and moisturize my face, get ready for bed. I'm actually going to play Sims tonight. Okay. So you should definitely like if you're a Sims player. Okay. I think you should subscribe if you are a Sims player, because we have something in common. Okay. And that's great. We're off to a great start. So now that we have something in common, I think that it would be a really great time to also comment and let me know what you liked about this video and what else you would like to see. And I love interacting with you guys. I do have an Instagram, which I will put in this video. I think you should check out my Instagram page and follow us.
$6.13.
So this is the finished look and I'm loving it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely digging it. Looking at myself in my mirror. Whoop. But I really do wish I had more lighting. I think where I have my light set up might be a little too far away, so I am working on getting another tripod. Maybe something like one of those like solo ones, like where it's only one leg, and putting the LED light on top of that. So I do that just so it can be directly, I don't know, at least underneath the camera, and I can make the lighting a little brighter. I guess this is more shining towards the wall rather than me, so that's probably what the problem is, but because there's too much shadow on this side. Even if it was maybe in an area where it's a little lower, but I have used the light to record before. It's just the way where I have my camera set up. This is obviously another background compared to, this is another background. So I could set my tripod up here and you can look at my bed, or if I set my tripod on the side of my bed, you can see my wall, and it's like just like a little plain blue wall, and I can get my light where it'll shine directly behind it. I just need to get it on the same level and the same area as my camera, and it'll be totally good. But I have tried using this light and recording something before, and it works perfectly fine. It's so bright, you can literally see my face is so nice and clear. But anyways, this is supposed to be an outro, so I'm going to end the video now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys turn on your notification bell, because I am going to bring new content. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, turn on that notification bell, okay? You have to see when I post. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and now to leave a nice little comment to me so I can interact with you guys. I love interacting with you guys. And give me a like, because I Just give me a like because you like me. Give me a like because you like me. I am always gonna like you. But if you like me, then you should give my video a like, right? It seems fair. And definitely subscribe. I think that's the biggest thing that I really go for is continuing that bond, that relationship with you guys. That if you are a subscriber, I know that you are more likely to see my videos. Like I said, my videos are for you. I say this in almost all my videos because it's super, super duper true. And I hold that to a T, okay? I think I said that right. But like I said, this is my little scarf tutorial. So I really hope that you guys see it and it is helpful enough for you. Super, 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 super quick and easy. And it's really nice. It's a really nice style. Especially when you have those days where you just don't want to wear makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I am planning on doing my hair soon. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video, right? See you guys. Ciao.